my god, I'm so excited. Where do I start? Should have like written a script or something. I don't even know what to say. Hi guys! I've missed you so much. I haven't spoke to you in like, wow, a long time. Yes, I'm sitting on my bed in my new apartment, which is not so new anymore. I was planning on filming in my living room, but then my neighbor is starting renovating and doing construction work, so it's too loud to do there. So I hope that's okay with you. My window is right there, so lighting is not symmetrical either, but that's what we have. First of all, I want to say, please watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video I have a few important things that I have to tell you about this whole thing that's going on. So where do I start? I guess I'm just going to get right to the point. So I've been MIA for, wow, a long time. I don't even know how long it's been already. I think like a year or so, because life happened. I quit my job, I began freelancing as a graphic designer, I began school studies for interior design, I moved to a new place, and just, yeah, I've been really busy lately, and I didn't really have much time to film videos. I was out of ideas for filming videos, and I didn't want to do like upload videos just to upload them. I really want to put time and effort into it, and I really wanted to put some quality content out there for you guys. And if I didn't have ideas or time to do it as like properly as I wanted to, I just decided not to do it at all. Actually, right now that I'm sitting here and filming, I'm realizing how much I've missed this and how much I would want to come back in doing this. But I guess it's not really possible for me at the moment, and I didn't want this channel to die out and to just get lost in all of the wonderful videos that are on YouTube right now, and among all of the great creators and makeup artists that are on YouTube, and just kind of disappear. So I wanted to make this channel continue its legacy and just keep going. And then I came across a wonderful young lady named Latifah, which basically suggested to take over this channel and to continue my legacy. And she has so many great ideas for this channel, you guys. This young lady is so freaking talented. She's so nice, so sweet, and I'm sure you guys are going to love her. But first of all, it was very important to me to give this channel away to a person that is going to continue what I did, because I know that you guys are subscribed to this channel to learn about makeup. I know that you guys like what you see, and that's why you're subscribed to this channel. So it was important to me that this channel will continue in the same way that I began this channel. And it's so hard for me to talk about this, because, well, first of all, I haven't filmed in such a long time, so it's weird to me for me to sit down here and talk to you guys. So that is weird on its own. But then talking about giving away my baby, which is this channel, it's not that easy. But it's been easier on me knowing that it's going to the right hands, and I'm sure you guys are going to love her. But enough me rambling. I thought that it would be the best for her to talk about what she has, what intentions she has for this channel, rather than me talking about it. So let's get you guys meet her. So hi Latifah, how are you?
Hi, yeah, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. So great to see you. So would you like to tell us a little bit about Indigo Moon?
Of course, yeah, I'd love to tell you a bit about Indigo Moon. So how it started was I was on my own. As a makeup artist, I am a creative makeup artist, so I focus kind of on stage makeup, film makeup, special effects, and I also used to model. So you know, I was always roughly kind of like behind the scenes, regardless if I was modeling or if I was like doing makeup. And one thing I found really interesting is when you're behind the scenes and you start talking to other models and other makeup artists, you learn so much about the skin, about makeup brands, about technique, and that really perked my interest into starting a company where I could get a team of makeup artists together who would, one, educate each other on what they could do, and secondly, what we could teach to everybody else. So social media has gone crazy at the moment, and we're really kind of like starting our journey with it. But it's great because, I mean, the makeup artists that we have on our team are, they come from all walks of life. I mean, some of them are special effects makeup artists, some of them, like me, are like stage makeup artists and creative makeup artists. Some of them are the most amazing fashion makeup artists and do the most amazing Instagram makeup. And we're all learning from each other. So I'm taking that mixing pot and I am putting it out there on social media to educate other people. Educating people from all walks of life too. So anyone who's, you know, starting out or they're a pro makeup artist themselves, I mean, we really just want to be a resource for people to kind of like come in and educate themselves.
Cool, cool. So what could we expect to see on this channel from now on?
Sure. So, I mean, one of the shows that we're filming at the moment and we're going to launch on Valentine's Day is a show called The Brush Up. Now, the story behind The Brush Up was kind of similar in mind of our direction of how Indigo Moon's going, but it was a really good opportunity for makeup artists to get together on a kind of like a chat show and interact with the audience and be able to answer some real questions and just to hear the conversations that happen between makeup artists, because it's one thing being a makeup artist and telling people what you think, but it's another thing. It's such an organic thing when you've got a group of makeup artists together and we might mention one product and we might have 5 different opinions. We might just have different experiences because of our skin type, skin color, and it's just really interesting, the conversations that organically go on between makeup artists, and it's, you know, there's a lot to be learned from. So that's what I wanted to capture in The Brush Up, and The Brush Up is going to be a team of makeup artists that I love and I trust, and that have some really good opinions, and they're at different levels of industry, and it's really good if you want to be a makeup artist or you're starting out as a makeup artist, because we have a lot of kind of like tips and tricks for that and how to build yourself as a makeup artist. So yeah, I'm really excited about launching that show. Secondly, you're going to be seeing a lot more of me, and I'm going to be doing everything from makeup tutorials to kind of educating people on the skin, on different aspects of beauty and makeup, really. You'll also see a little bit more about the business and how it works. And yeah, I'm just excited to kind of show you what Indigo Moon has got and show the audience, because I mean, the main thing for me is I really want to educate. Like that's my calling in life. That is my calling. And if I can take, you know, knowledge from other people and I can put it on a platform to get it out there for people who are, one, trying to be a makeup artist, or just like, or a novice to makeup and just want to learn some new tips, or want to really take a serious path in makeup artistry and just don't know how to go about it. We really just want to create some opportunity there for people, and yeah, that's what I want.
So it's still a makeup channel and subscribers can keep learning about makeup from it, as they did so far, which is probably the reason why they subscribed to this channel in the first place. Is that correct?
Of course. And you know, I started watching your show way back, and you know, one of the reasons why we're even talking right now is because when I was watching your work, for me it was really inspiring. I watch a few makeup vloggers, and for me, you were one of the ones that caught my attention. You really, because your main focus was educating people on makeup. It wasn't necessarily like coming out with these super crazy looks and, you know, in 5-minute tutorials. And I've really always respected what you do. So that is something where we completely gel. Like for me, it's, I'm going to be listening to my audience and I'm going to be finding out what they want to see, what they want to learn about, and I'm going to be providing that. And if I can't provide it, you know, one of my team are going to be providing it. And that's the most exciting thing. It's the synergy between pro makeup artists and learners, and it's just such a beautiful thing, because even as a makeup artist, I'm still on a learning path myself. You know, I've been in this game a while, but you know, these trends are changing all the time, and there's things that I'm not going to be as good at as other makeup artists are, so I'm trying to brush up as much as I can on what I do. So I'm not going to give anyone this, you know, this false light, like, oh, we're all makeup artists and we all can all do all these amazing things. It doesn't nearly work that way, and I just want to kind of reach out to people and like focus on specific things that we're good at, that we can do and we can offer. So yeah, I'm really excited about it.
Oh, well, thank you so much, Latifah. You're so sweet. That truly means a lot, and I can't wait to see what you have planned for us on this channel. I'm so excited.
Tina, we are forever in your debt. Like seriously, like we can't wait to take Indigo Moon artist to the next level now and focus on the artistry of makeup and educating that. And yeah, I'm really excited, so thank you so much. And if you ever want to come back on the show for a feature, or just to catch up, it'd be nice, like, get involved. But yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much and good luck on this channel, and that is going to be truly amazing to be a part of this channel and to come back every once in a while indeed. And for you guys back at home, the viewers and subscribers, which this video is for, and all of this is for, I said in the beginning of the video that I have a few important things to say to you guys, and that is that, well, you know that I'm always open and honest with you guys. And I just wanted to say that I didn't sell my channel. So, and that is because, the main reason is because I do want to be a part of this channel still. So the way we did it is that, actually, again, I'm open and honest with you guys, is that I'm just going to keep the revenue from my older videos and that's it. I haven't like sell it to Latifah and to Indigo Moon because it is important to me to come back every once in a while to see what's going on, to still feel a part of this, because this channel, as I said, is my baby. It's been my life project for the past like 6 years or so. I've worked so hard to build it and to make it what it is now, and you guys know how hard it is to start a YouTube channel, especially in the beauty and makeup category industry, because there are just so many of them right now on YouTube. And because I know how hard it is, because I did it myself and I came this long way, that's why I thought that instead of just kind of giving up on my channel, it would be best to help somebody that's as creative and talented as Latifah to build their channel from a base that's already exists, like on this channel, instead of starting it from scratch. And I thought that it would be best to help somebody and just kind of give my channel away instead of just giving it up and just quit making videos altogether. Now that I'm sitting and filming, I realize how much I've missed this and how much I do want to be, like, keep being a part of this channel and maybe come back every once in a while and make an appearance on this channel, maybe a tutorial or a video, and maybe in the future me and Latifah can even film a video together. Who knows, that could be cool. But anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm still here. This channel will keep being my baby, even that it's going to be rebranded to Indigo Moon from MakeupAndArtFreak. But I'm still here and I really want to hear your opinions, and also, most importantly, that I am very active on Instagram. So if you're not following me yet, the link to my Instagram is going to be below, as well as Latifah's Instagram on Indigo Moon as well. And you can keep following me there, and I'm always replying to DMs on Instagram. So if you have any questions or if you have anything you want to say to me, feel free to DM me on Instagram and I'm going to reply to you guys. And also, I thought maybe doing something a little bit more with my Instagram page. I thought maybe I could convert it more to more like makeup and fashion related maybe, or maybe even do like mini quick makeup videos, tutorials, or like pro makeup advice, or like a get ready with me on the Instagram stories, and then maybe like highlight it and do like a makeup highlights story on Instagram or something like that. So I don't know, let me know what you think, and it's so important to me to hear your thoughts about this, guys. I'm really doing it for you because I don't want to just abandon this channel and disappear as I did for the past year almost, sorry. I'm sure you're going to love what's coming up on this channel, but still, I really want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And as I said, I'm available on Instagram. You can also email me. I'm going to leave my email down below on the description bar of this video as well. And yeah, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and just see what's coming up. I'm really excited. I hope you are excited too. I've missed you so much, and I can't believe that I'm giving away this channel. This is so crazy. But yeah, I guess that time has come. So yeah, good luck, Latifah. Good luck to you guys. I really hope that you're going to love what's coming up on this channel. And I'll see you sometime. Maybe here, maybe on Instagram. I don't know. We'll see. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for everything. Yeah.